Well, Ahmad Moinuddin Abdul Qadir Jalani, the prime accused in the high-profile Raisen terror plot, has been allegedly assaulted by inmates in the Sabarmati jail in Gujarat that has prompted an investigation into the incident. The incident unfolded around 7 a.m. local time on Tuesday when a confrontation between Dr. Ahmad Moinuddin and 3 inmates suddenly spiraled into a full-blown assault. The clash left him with severe eye and facial injuries that even triggered a formal FIR and a high-level internal probe into the incident. Jalani was attacked a day after he was transferred to the Ahmedabad facility under judicial custody following an investigation by Gujarat's anti-terror squad, along with 2 others, and this incident has brought the jail under fresh scrutiny over security of high-risk prisoners. Gujarat ATS arrested Jalani and his 2 accomplices last week for allegedly plotting terror attacks using ricin, which is a highly lethal toxin extracted from castor seeds. The trio was nabbed after months of surveillance and intel inputs, which even marked a significant breakthrough in anti-terror operations. Here's a report sent by our principal correspondent Disha Shah, who's been tracking the story very closely.
Well, that is right. Tensions flared on Tuesday morning at the Sabarmati Central Jail, which is located in the Ahmedabad city of Gujarat, where one of the terror accused, Said Ahmad, who has been arrested by the Gujarat ATS on November 9 for plotting terror attacks across the country, was brutally assaulted by the 3 fellow inmates right inside the central jail of Sabarmati. Remember, this is a major security lapse also that the authorities are talking about, because remember, the point of investigation now is that whether this incident was already planned by these inmates or whether it was a spontaneous act. The terror accused here in this matter has received injuries on his face as well as neck area, and he is getting the treatment currently at the Civil Hospital of Ahmedabad. However, the investigation currently is to ascertain the motive behind the assault that was carried by these 3 inmates, whether they were guided by somebody or whether somebody asked them to do this or it was a spontaneous act. So that inquiry is underway as we speak. This is Isha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.